knowledge of the courses or the certificate of the courses? This is a big question people ask me.
Knowledge, always knowledge.
Yes,
because people are now realizing that online courses में certificate तो बहुत easily मिल जाता है, पैसा दे दो certificate मिल जाता है. Okay, so unless you have actually attended an intensive classroom course online, the online course really doesn't carry that much degree because there's so many certificates. Okay, I'll give you an example. We are doing some work with an automobile company right now with top MBA students who have joined as management trainees. Everybody has done digital marketing as a part of their syllabus. Okay, everybody. All we did was ask them, do you know what is custom audience and lookalike audience in Facebook? And literally out of 55 people, some 50 odd people had no idea what we were talking about. Okay, 20 of them said we have no idea, 30 of them said okay, I've heard the term but I have no idea what it is. Google Classroom वाला जो कोर्स है, तो आप किसी भी कैंपस में जाओ, पत्थर मार दो, 10-15 लोगों को लग जाएगा जिन्होंने वो Google Classroom वाला कोर्स किया है. So certificate doesn't matter. We know people who've done strategic management from Harvard. You know, what is strategic marketing management? That's it, blank. Okay,
कुछ नहीं आता है.
So knowledge making you more authentic is the differentiator. What they really check is depth of content. Are you sure about what you're doing? Have you done your research? Nothing flashy. Just be yourself. Just be strong on content.